So now first we found out perimeter of rectangle, which is 72. So perimeter of triangle has to be 18, correct? Because 72 and 18 will give you 90. So if perimeter of triangle is 18, so side is equal to 6. Is this clear? Now we have the equation R is equal to T square. So we found out length into breadth. Please be on mute. Is equal to. Is be on mute.
Sir, I didn't understand the question, but means this last part after you told us that it is quadratic equation.
हाँ तो वो मेथड से सॉल्व ही नहीं कर रहे हैं ना, मैंने बताया वो मेथड हम नहीं कर रहे हैं, अभी हम ऑप्शंस वाला मेथड यूज कर रहे हैं. दैट द ऑप्शंस आर गिवन एज 24, 27, 21 and 18.
Yes sir, I didn't understand the option method only.
So please pay attention now and everyone be on mute. We consider length of the rectangle. They have asked us what is the length of the longer side of the rectangle. तो हमने as usual consider किया length is the longer side and breadth is the smaller side. So we considered length to be 27 because first option we checked उससे answer नहीं आ रहा है. So now we check 27. Okay. So if length is 27, what will be the breadth? Length and breadth का ratio दिया है 3:1. Correct. So this is 9. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? 27 plus 9, 36 into 2, which is 72. And now sum of rectangle and perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of triangle is 90. So if perimeter of rectangle is 72, what is the perimeter of triangle? Tell me.
18.
Correct. Perimeter of triangle is 18. As it is an equilateral triangle, what will be the side of the triangle?
6.
समझ में आया यहाँ तक सभी को? समझ में आया?
Yes sir.
Now side is 6. Now we know that rectangle is equal to square of triangle's area. अभी triangle का area क्या होता है? √3/4 into side square, correct? और अभी हमें इसका भी square करना है. तो many times we check this, when we open this we get 3/16 into side raised to 4. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Please behave yourself, okay? Here it is length and breadth is 27 and 9. So इसको multiply किया था, we got 243. Now we need to check whether this side also comes out to be 243. So 3/16 multiplied by 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. ये समझ में आया? Arav, have you understood this? Arav or Arnav, who had this doubt?
Not me. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
अभी आप keep on dividing this. So 2 into 8, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 3, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, and 2 into 1, 2 into 3. So you have 3 5 times, so which is 3 raised to 5, and 3 raised to 5 is also 243. So that means our condition is matching. So what is the answer? Length is equal to 27.
Okay sir.
Okay, please take a screenshot of this. Finished? Okay. Question number 4. In a library, the ratio of number of mathematics books to that of science is 4:3. So maths upon science is equal to 4/3. The total number of mathematics books was 1248. Okay. So 1248 is the number of mathematics book. When some more mathematics books were bought, the ratio becomes 5:3. Find the number of mathematics book bought. तो अभी हम ये find out कर सकते हैं how many science books are there easily? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो इसको हमने 4 कुछ नंबर से डिवाइड किया ताकि 4 मिले, या 4 into what number gives you this? 312, correct? 4 into 312 will give you 1248. So that means number of science books is 3 into 312, which is equal to 936.
930.
Now 1248 में एक ऐसा नंबर ऐड हुआ है, और जब हम इन दोनों का रेशियो लेंगे 936, दिस बिकम्स 5:3. अभी देखो अगेन दिस इज 3. So that means what is the connection, what is the number over here? 312 only. Okay, this is 312 into 4. Yes or no? Plus what number gives you 312 into 5? Tell me.
312.
So how many maths books were added?
312.
Understood? Understood, students?
Yes, sir. Sir, I lost connection like for 1 minute or 2-3 minutes. So what we are still doing ratio proportion worksheet, right?
Yes. We finished
So
the
we didn't
question.
any sums.
We did the 4th question, which is on the board. So just take a screenshot of it now. Okay, we'll move to question number 5. Akhil started a business investing rupees 12,000. Nikhil joined him after 4 months. And he, how much did he invest? Invested 18,000. This is for Nikhil. What would be the Nikhil's share in profit of rupees 9,500 at the end of the year? So total profit is 9500. Now what we have to do? Akhil invested 12,000 for how many months?
12.
Very good. So 12 into 12,000 कितना होता है? जो भी वैल्यू आएगा यहाँ हम लिखेंगे. Nikhil invested 18,000 for how many months?
8 months.
8 months. After 4 months he came, correct? तो इनका रेशियो फाइंड आउट करेंगे. 3 zeros cancel out with 3 zeros. 6 into 2, 6 into 3.
3.
So we get 24
12
upon
and 3
24.
also get cancelled.
What?
Sir, 12 times 2 and 8 times 3 also gets cancelled to one whole.
We are doing that same thing. 12 into 2 is 24. 3 into 8 is 24. So the ratio comes out to be 1:1.
1:1.
Means
So they're not equal, sir.
correct. So that means अभी दोनों का ratio equal है. So Akhil is to Nikhil is equal to 1:1. So now we'll divide this by 2. So which gives us 4750. So equal share है दोनों का. तो Nikhil will get 4750. Understood?
Yes.
हमेशा ऐसे ही करोगे आप. तो फर्स्ट विल फाइंड आउट रेशियो बाय कन्वर्टिंग इट टू 12 months थिंग. ओके, so every time what you will do, whatever the investment is, multiply by 12 for the person who has invested from the beginning, and then जिसने दूसरा इन्वेस्ट किया है, अगर उसने after some months इन्वेस्ट किया है, so remove those many months from 12 and multiply by the amount. Yes, Rishik?
Sir, how did you get the profit?
Profit is given in the question, na?
Oh, okay. Okay, sir.
Sir, could you wait for 1 minute?
Yes.
Sir, done.
Okay. Question number 6. A mixture of milk and water is in the ratio 5:1. So milk is to water 5:1 they have given us. By adding 5 liters of water, the ratio of milk to water becomes 5:2. So if we add water 5 liters, so ratio of milk is to water is 5:2. Okay. Now the quantity of milk in the mixture is how much we need to find out. Is the question clear? So,
Sir, I have a question.
हाँ बोलो.
So this is like the milk after the adding or before?
Milk will remain the same, right? Because we are just adding the water. Understood?
Okay. Okay, sir.
मिल्क चेंज नहीं हो रहा है ना. सो 5x प्लस इसमें तो न्यूमरेटर में हमने कुछ भी ऐड नहीं किया. हियर वी एडेड 5 liters. So this becomes 5/2, correct? So 10x is equal to 5x plus 5. No, wait, sorry. I made some calculation error over here. Wait. Okay. So now milk by water is equal to 5/1. And after adding, so we have added water to it. So let this be x and x. So 5x upon x plus 5 is equal to 5/2. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no, students?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then we get 10x is equal to
sir.
5x plus 25. So we get 5x is equal to 25. So x is equal to 5. Correct? Yes or no? So if x is equal to 5, what is milk's ratio?
Milk is 25.
So
25.
25. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Question number 7 and 8 are for homework, okay? Question number 9. The exterior angles of the triangle are in the ratio 4:5:6. Find the ratios of the interior angle of the triangle. So these are the three exterior angles. Yes or no? So let this be 4x, this one be 5x, and this one be 6x.
Sir, can you show the previous slide just for a minute? Thank you, sir.
हाँ बोलो अर्णव.
Sir, have you shared the worksheet of this?
I'll share after the class, so that time you'll be able to do the homework.
Okay, sir.
What will be this angle? These three angles. One. देखो.
180 minus
हाँ,
the
correct.
number.
Now tell me, ये जो एंगल है, ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल, सम ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स कितना है?
360.
Yes, students, what is sum of exterior angles?
So 360.
360.
Correct. So मतलब 4x plus 5x plus 6x, which is equal to 15x, is equal to 360.
360.
तो x का वैल्यू कितना है?
24.
Very good. Now this is 120, this is 144, and this is 96, correct? So what is this angle? 60. What will be this angle? 84. And what will be this angle?
36.
34, 36, 36.
Now we need to find the ratio of 84:60:36. So आप पहले तो क्या करो, 12 से तीनों नंबर डिविजिबल है, तो यहाँ क्या आएगा? 12 into 7, 12 into 5, 12 into 3. So what is your answer?
7:5:3.
Has everyone understood?
Yes, sir. Sir, how did we get 60, 84, 36? That part I can't understand.
Do you know what are angles in linear pair?
Yes, sir.
So if this angle is 120, so this whole angle is 180. So 180 minus 120 is 60. If this is 96, this whole thing is 180, correct? So 180 minus 96, 84. And same way over here.
Okay, sir. Sir, done.
Tenth question is, when 30% of a number is added to the another number, okay, so let the numbers be x and y. So when we add 30% of x to which number? The another number मतलब y, इसमें add करेंगे, तो whatever total we get, okay, so which is let's say y plus कितना हो जाएगा? 30% of x कितना होता है? 30 into x upon 100 कितना होएगा बताओ?
3/10x.
Which is
3/10x.
0.3x, correct? Very good, वही है 0.3x या 3/10x. अभी हमने क्या किया इसके बाद? द सेकेंड नंबर इंक्रीजेस बाय 20%. इसका अगर हम इसमें 20% ऐड करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा वैल्यू, करेक्ट? सो y plus 20% of y is equal to y plus 0.3x. So y and y cancel, मतलब 0.2y is equal to 0.3x. समझ में आया?
Sir, I didn't understand the 20% Y part.
I'll read the question. When 30% of a number is added to another number, so we are taking two numbers, x and y. So what we did, we added 30% of x to the another number, मतलब y को add किया. तो कितना हो गया वो? y plus 0.3x. समझ में आया यहाँ तक? यहाँ तक सभी को समझ में आया है?
Yes, sir.
जिनको
sir.
नहीं समझा है, please raise your hand. Okay, everyone has understood. This is the first part of the question till here. Okay. Now they have said, after doing this calculation, okay, this number and this number का relation अगर निकाला तो it is increased by 20%. मतलब इसमें अगर 20% of y add करेंगे तो y plus 20% of y is equal to y plus 30% of x. ये समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
तो ये इक्वेशन बन गया
Yes,
हमारा, करेक्ट? यहाँ तक क्लियर है? y और y कैंसिल होएगा बिकॉज दिस y विल
Yes,
कम
sir.
सब्ट्रैक्ट ओवर हियर. सो 20% ऑफ y क्या होता है? 20 into y upon 100 which is equal to 0.2
x.
y, not x. So ये इक्वल हो गया अभी. ये समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Now they have
Yes,
asked us
sir.
the ratio of first number and the second number. So first and second number कौन से थे? ये दोनों थे. तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है x upon y which is equal to 0.2 upon
2
0.3.
upon 3.
So we get the answer as 2/3.
2 upon 3.
Has everyone understood this?
Sir, can you read the whole question in one swing?
When 30% of a number is added to another number, the second number increases by 20%. What is the ratio between the first and the second number?
Okay, sir, understood.
Please take a screenshot quickly. We need to move
Sir,
ahead.
I didn't understand the part after you did 0.2y is equal to
यहाँ तक समझ
0.3.
में आ गया है ना?
हाँ.
इसके बाद अभी हमें फाइंड आउट करना है x is over here into 0.3 is equal to 0.2 into y. I am taking this y in the denominator over here. कैसे? This is in multiplication, so it will go on the other side as division. So we get x upon y into 0.3 is equal to 0.2. We need to just find x upon y, so we'll take this multiplication on the other hand as division. So we get x upon y is equal to 0.2 upon 0.3.
Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
Sir, one second. Can you please move to the previous slide once again?
Done?
Yes, sir.
What must be added to each term of the ratio 2:3? We have to add something to both the terms, okay? These two terms. इन दोनों को add करना है कुछ हमें term, so that the new ratio becomes 4:5. So 2x upon 3x plus some same number y becomes 4/5. कैसे solve करोगे बताओ? So cross multiply, you get 10x plus y is 5y, sorry, is equal to 12x plus 4y. Take this 4y on the other side and this 10x on this side. So you get y is equal to 2x. समझ में आया?
Sir, can you repeat?
Sir, I didn't understand this part. What you just wrote.
There's a ratio of a upon b given as 2/3. We have to add some same number in both denominator and the numerator so that the new ratio of A upon B becomes 4/5. अभी क्वेश्चन क्लियर है यहाँ तक?
Yes, sir.
The options are 1, 2, 3 and 4 options are given, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 as it is, okay? Either you can put the options and check whether the ratio becomes the same thing. अभी कौन सा नंबर आप ऑप्शन में से सिलेक्ट करोगे तब जाके 4:5 हो जाएगा रेशियो, बताओ? न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में इंडिविजुअली एक एक नंबर ऐड करना है विच इज द सेम नंबर सो दैट इट बिकम्स 4/5.
Sir, 2.
या लॉजिकली
two.
यू कैन सी, यहाँ पर 2 लिखो, यहाँ पर 2 लिखो, 3 + 2 5, 2 + 2 4. That's it. So your answer is 2. And now how to get this? So let's take the number we are adding is x. Okay. So 2 + x upon 3 + x.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ
In
बोलो.
the above method, we won't take the LCM of denominator.
वो फ्रैक्शंस ऐड नहीं कर रहे हम फ्रैक्शन ऐड नहीं कर रहे. आप समझो क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा है, एक ऐसा नंबर ऐड करना है दोनों में, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में. समझ में आया? इंडिविजुअली ऐड कर रहे हो आप ये नंबर्स.
Okay, sir.
आप फ्रैक्शन ऐड नहीं कर रहे. अभी ये मेथड समझ लो आपको सॉल्व करने के लिए. 2/3 में x और x ऐड किया. अभी हम एलसीएम लेंगे क्या, बताओ मुझे?
Yes, sir.
यस.
No.
हु सेड यस? जब इंडिविजुअली ऐड कर रहे तो एलसीएम कहां से आएगा स्टूडेंट्स? आई एम जस्ट एडिंग वन सेम नंबर टू द न्यूमरेटर एज वेल एज द डिनोमिनेटर. कैन यू सी द क्वेश्चन ऑन द बोर्ड? यहाँ पर एलसीएम कैसे लेंगे बताओ मुझे? आर वी गोइंग टू टेक एलसीएम?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
Now just cross multiply. So you get 10 + 5x is equal to 12 + 4x. Now can you find out the value of x?
x is equal to 2.
Is this clear now?
Yes, sir.
So when you can solve the questions using the options, don't use any other method, okay? Because that will be the easiest way to solve the question. ये आप समझ जाओ. एग्जाम में आपको टाइम सेव करना है, तो instead of writing this equation and then solving it, directly use the option and check. Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Okay.
For this 10 + 5x part is equal to 12 + 4x, that part I did not understand
No, you
properly.
have to understand this, okay? This is basic equations. What you have learned in equations, tell me after this. इसके बाद हम क्या स्टेप करेंगे आप ही बताओ मुझे. आपने इक्वेशन सीखा है?
So we will take the x at one part and the
करो,
constants
एक
on the
एक साइड
other.
पे कैसे लेके जाओगे बताओ मुझे. Which x part will you take on one side? Will you take 5x on this side or 4x over here?
4x on the other side.
हाँ, so क्या हो जाएगा इक्वेशन बताओ?
X equals to 12 minus 10.
5x minus 4x is equal to 12 minus 10, correct? अभी इसके बाद
Yes.
आपको नहीं समझा x is equal to 2.
No, sir, I didn't understand how we got 10 + 5x equals to
क्रॉस
12 +
मल्टीप्लाई करो ना. 2 + x into 5 करना है, 4 into 3 + x करना है.
Okay, understood, sir.
क्वेश्चन समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
अभी देखो जीप का स्पीड तो इजीली फाइंड आउट किया। जीप का स्पीड कितना आएगा? 200 डिवाइडेड बाय 200 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर। यस और नो? अभी कार का स्पीड फाइंड आउट करना है। कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे?
Now we will convert all it into the minutes and then divide. Sir, we will multiply 5/18 to it for taking
नहीं
meter
देखो,
per
वो
second.
मीटर्स पर सेकंड होता है। अभी आपको मैं बताता हूँ क्या करना है आपको। ये कितने मिनट्स होते हैं बताओ? 160 मिनट्स, करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
200 डिवाइडेड बाय 160, ये क्या मिलेगा आपको? किलोमीटर्स पर मिनट मिलेगा। हमें किस में चाहिए? किलोमीटर्स पर आवर में चाहिए। मिनट से आवर में कैसे जाते हैं? इंटू 60 करके, करेक्ट? तो 200 अपॉन 160 इंटू 60 करना है आपको। कैलकुलेशन समझ में आया? अगर किसी को कैलकुलेशन में डाउट है तो आप पूछ सकते हो मुझे, अभी एंड में नहीं। अभी किसको कैलकुलेशन में डाउट है? क्यों 60 लिया हमने ये?
Speed कैसे आई?
यस,
जीप की स्पीड कैसे आई थी?
स्पीड का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है?
डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम।
हाँ तो
डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम।
हाँ, तो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया है जीप ने 2 आवर्स में?
200। हाँ सर, हो गया। समझ में आ गया।
ये कैलकुलेशन समझ में आया जो मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा है? एंड में कोई पूछेगा मैं
यस सर, यस सर।
so 0 and 0
Sir.
cancel. Okay, now what you will do, you will divide this by,
Sir, 75 kilometer per hour.
हाँ तो पहले डिवाइड कर लेते। 4 इंटू 4, 4 इंटू 5, 4 इंटू 1, 4 इंटू 15, 15 इंटू 5, 75। तो स्पीड ऑफ कार है 75 किलोमीटर पर आवर। हमें क्या चाहिए? रेशियो ऑफ स्पीड ऑफ कार टू स्पीड ऑफ जीप। तो 75
4:3.
सर 4:3।
3:4 स्टूडेंट।
4:3.
स्पीड ऑफ कार अपॉन स्पीड ऑफ जीप पूछा है।
3:2.
सो आंसर क्या है आपका? 3:4। हैज एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
See, in the question they have mentioned what is the ratio of their speed. Okay, so now ratio of their speed आपको कुछ मेंशन नहीं किया है कि कार का पहले लेना है या जीप, but in the question what part is given first? Car is given first, correct? And then the jeep is given. Yes or no? So you will take car upon jeep. Is this clear? Is this clear students? मैंने सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए
Yes, sir.
आपको क्वेश्चन में दे दिया है कि फाइंड स्पीड ऑफ रेशियो ऑफ स्पीड ऑफ कार टू स्पीड ऑफ जीप। आपके वर्कशीट में ऐसा नहीं दिया है। व्हाट इज द रेशियो ऑफ दियर स्पीड पूछा है। तो जब ऑफ दियर स्पीड पूछा है मतलब जैसे क्वेश्चन में जो पहले ऑब्जेक्ट दिया उसका स्पीड आप पहले लोगे। समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Those who want to take screenshot, take it quickly. Okay. Question number 13 is for homework. We will do question number 14 now. Ratio of two numbers is given. Okay. Is equal to 3:5. Next, they have given 9 is added to both the numbers. So new ratio is 7:11. Okay. Now the next what we have to find is find the greater number. Okay. सो देखो पहले हम लेंगे 3x and 5x, करेक्ट. सो नाउ वी हैव दिस 3x plus 9 upon 5x plus 9 is equal to 7/11. ये समझ में आया? ये समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
अभी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 33x plus 99 is equal to 35x plus 63. So 2x is equal to 36. So x is equal to 18. यहाँ तक समझ में आया?
No, sir, I didn't understand how 7/11 became 33x.
यहाँ दिया है 7/11. क्रॉस
Yes, sir,
मल्टीप्लाई
but
करने आता है आपको? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन मतलब क्या होता है? 11 into 3x plus 9 is equal to 5x plus 9 into 7. मल्टीप्लीकेशन आता है आपको अभी? 11 into 3x is 33. 11 into 9 is
Okay, sir,
99.
I got it.
समझ में आया यहाँ तक? अभी इसके बाद हमने लिया
Yes.
35x minus 33x which is 2x. 99 minus 63 is 36. So x is equal to 18. So what are the two numbers we had? How we will find out? 3x and 5x. So into 3 करेंगे, 3 into 18 and 5 into 18. तो क्या मिलेगा? 54 and 90. So what is
54 and 90.
so find the greater number. So which is the greater number?
90.
Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
किसी को डाउट है? You can ask me.
No, sir.
Do you want me to solve it again?
No, sir, it's clear.
Okay. Do one thing. We'll end the meeting, rejoin again, and more 10 minutes is left, okay? Till 8:30 we have class.